super sarap daw nito. Let's open one. Yummy. At ito, puro maduming damit ko na yan. Okay. So, let's check kung ano yung aking mga Japan loot for pasalubong. Tcharan! Wait nga, ito nga, oh, we're opening. So, syempre, cup noodles. Ay, ba't cup noodles? Oh, wag away-away ha. Oh no! Sam, this is for you! Uy, teka, naka-bold ka! This is a Pokemon noodle, Sam, look. Ha? You want? I have 2 Pokemon noodles for Sam. And yeah, this is my pasalubong for your dad, guys. Look, this is a heel softener. Para sa kalyo niya. Siyempre, cup noodles. And this is my makeup kit.
Hello, guys!
And my Pino hair product, hair mask. Premium hair mask.
Thank you, Mom.
Madali ka, like yours na. Medyas. Okay, next side of the video. Charan!
Yes! This guys is my favorite milk water. Favorite from Japan, guys. Try one na.
Yeah, sure. This is Kuya Sat's favorite.
Lumig to me.
Ha? Diba? Ang lamig pa nga. Kasi nga, ang lamig talaga dun eh.
Medyo malamig pa. Ako yung bottle mo.
Yaya, sorry. Dahil ko labahin na. And yan. Ito na nga guys. Ang aking Holy Grail. This is mine.
Hey, that one's fun.
And this is for Kuya Gab. Kuya Gab, this is a facial wash. Oh, I have 3 for us. So this is the Pear Acne Facial Creamy Foam. Wait a minute. And then guys, ito yung mga tinry ko na, oh no, buti hindi masyado natapon. So, honey.
Hey, Mom.
Buti na lang binalot ko siya. Kasi ginamit ko na to doon. So, ito yung mga trending na, ito Gab, try natin, oh. Trending na honey shampoo.
Mom, I like this. Mom, I like this. I like this.
Exactly. We all like this.
Yeah. Mommy, can you open?
Nga lang.
Open it.
Ha?
Can you open it?
Wait lang.
Mom, can I have the open?
Wait lang. You wait for it.
Mom, can I have the open?
Yeah, sure. And this one, ano ba tawag ito? Oil, cleansing oil from Softimo. Ganda din nito, guys. Try ko na siya. At yung, tapon mo na itong plastic, baby boy. Meron na sisi na facial wash. Get a scissors, my love.
Huh?
Get a scissors.
I will cut my finger.
You will cut your finger. Wait lang, mommy will open it, okay? And I'll give it to you. Wait lang! Ito guys, yung favorite nila na candy. Oh, one for you first. And then one for you.
Can I have all of them?
Oh, wait lang. I'll give it to you. Oh, give to kuya. One for kuya. I have so many of that in the other luggage pa. And then the... Okay. Oh, this is a different flavor. Let's try this. I haven't taken this.
Ayun yung sinasabi nila Latino.
Okay. And then this one also may pasalubong for the offspring. Let's try this daw guys. Super sarap daw nito. Let's open one. Pang bibigay ko to sa office eh. You want to try? Let's try. Okay, so let's try one. Nakita ko to na lagi din daw to pinapapasalubong. Okay. Pakita mo yung face mo. Okay, so it's Chura. Okay. Wow! Cute naman na itsura. Bigyan mo si Yaya yan. Patigin mo kay Yaya yung ano. Wow! Cheers! Patigin mo kay dad sa kay kuya. Kuya! Kuya, tikman mo. Ang sarap ng cheese. Grabe. Kaya ako. And then this for the eyes.
So good, Dad. Guys, yung ano, sarap. Recommended to buy, guys.
Ito guys, deodorant ko. And then a cute Kuromi brush.
Dito not mine?
She's nice. Beautiful. And then I bought several toothbrush for us to try. Gabset! Ito yung toothbrush, oh. Binilan ko kayo. Try nyo. Who's this?
Mine!
No, not that. This is for me and Dad. This is for the both of you.
I like
Kuya, sa tuya, Gab. And then, eto Daddy sa atin dalawa. Let's try this. And ang aking... Kasi akala ko hindi ako makakabili ng SK2 eh. So, ito yung alternate ko sa SK2 din minsan. Hadalabo.
Yay!
Meron pa rin tayo pa sa lubong gin. Sarap nito guys. Bili tayo nito. Op. Okay, G.
Yeah. Bubi.
Okay, ready, get set, go! Ay, jacket pala, aray. Wait, wala din siya dito sa kabilang side lang.
Ouch! 3,
Cherry ba yan?
2,
Hindi.
1.
Check in. Chan, 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 hop, 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 hop. Okay, this one is for you guys. Yummy daw yan eh. Open nyo, dali try natin. Wait lang, love. Iris, kulang yung ano. Lagyan ko ng marami. Patong-patong na lang. Okay. Ayan. So, ito, hand cream. One of the mabango and best. Okay. Next.
Lamig po, mi.
So, eto, bumili rin ako nito guys, yung pang legs. Wala na yung box, tinanggal ko na. Another hadalabo.
Oh, this is a
Siyempre, yung mga trending na sunblock. Bili tayo niyan. Milano. Kuya! Meron ka pa ba, kuya?
Oh, I want the tool.
Try natin. What's that? Ano siya? Parang juice?
No, it's jelly too. It just tastes like this. It tastes like this.
Ay.
Yo!
Wait lang, wait lang.
I like
This
it.
is my stock na sunblock. I like this guys kasi parang very, medyo sticky siya sometimes pero hindi ako nagbe-break out either.
Open. I like it, Mom.
How to open this? I think you need to, ayun. Let me see. Yummy. For the eyes. Floss.
That's mine.
Wait only. Ito daw guys, for itchy skin. Because I have itchy skin. What's this? So, moisturizer. Oh, yummy. Another facial wash. And a freebie. Okay, ito na. Yung hinihintay nila. The bigger loot. Ito yung bunting. Oh no! Oh kuya, oh, ito pa oh. Okay, ang favorite nila, Haichu. Haichu.
Oh,
Si
guys.
Kuya Gab. So, another of this. Ang dami natin ganito. Hati-hatiin nyo na sa inyo. Baka mag-agawan pa kayo.
I get out the Haichu.
Haichu. And I'm trying this trending. Ito Gabo, face mask. Pangtanggal din ng pimple. Try natin. Ito sa akin to ng friend ko. More of this. Siyempre. Age matcha. Ano ka bang bibigay ko? Stock ng pear kasi pang pimple. Kuya, ate, ang dami natin pear. Oo nga. Ito, sabi ni ate, one of the best lip something daw. So, pinagbigyan ko siya, binilin ko na lang. This!
I like. What is that, Mom?
Ang bigay ko yan here, parang eye drops. Gusto mo ba nito, Gab? Parang eye drops. Ha? Para for the eyes. Kapag napapagod yung eyes mo, naka-computer. Yan. And then, syempre, in the airport, I also bought this.
Look at me here. Mom, look at me here.
Okay, guys.
Balik
Let's
kasi parang
unpack my
ano lang
baby
siya.
girl. Let's unpack baby girl.
800 yen.
I love.
So,
800 yen?
O, 800 yen lang siya sa airport. Pero pag dito sa Pilipinas kasi mahal siya. So, it's like,
How much is 800 yen?
convert
Like 400
mo.
pesos?
No, not, mga 300 plus naman.
It was 400 plus.
Sharon, oh, hindi siya natunaw. Okay. This is ito Iris, one of the masarap na chocolate.
That.
This is a chocolate.
I like chocolate.
Oh.
Yummy,
Ito hindi siya natunaw at hindi ko siya naiwala. Wait. So, wait!
Parang ano lang siya eh.
So, natin niya siya guys. Ganyan na itsura niya.
Itin. No, ititanggal.
Oh. You try one of...
Ititanggal.
Mm. Oh!
Where's the white?
Bye ka na. Bye guys.
Itang. Look at me.
Ito yung ano, mami meron pang ganito. Missing.
Ah? And on top of that, syempre, my favorite! Ay, oo! May sandwich pa. Sandwich na napipi. This is so yummy, Sab. Huwag mo pipuan. Eat one. So yummy. This is my favorite. Alam mo bang sa airport lang ako nakakita ng cheese. So let's try. Ano mo all mine? Tingnan mo. Tinago mo na naman lahat. So guys, this is it. Ito yung Japanese version ng lumpia. It's so yummy. Oh, oh, yummy. Good. You have school. Let's sleep na.
No.
No. No. And last but not the least is her Kuromi bag.
Ito nice and soft.
Oh, where's your star na?
Ito.
Where's the star na lubong ko iyo?
Yellow.
Where? Oh, ayusin mo. Sisira siya dyan. Why is it there?
Because I want to hide it.
Tingnan mo naman yung ginawa niya. Sinabi niya ng sa ilalim. Ano ka daga?
I like it.
You like her? Last na loot for this Japan trip. Thank you sa aking sponsor, to my mom. I got my new shoes again from Ganda. Ganda siya, guys. Actually, tatlo kaming meron nito, kuya. Triplets din kami. Guys, that's the loot. At ito, puro maduming damit ko na yan. Okay, bye!
Yan na lang ha.